Okay, so OBA added a bonus deduction for some of the older taxpayers. Who are the people that get that, and how big is it?
All right, it's for people that are over 65. So each person that is over 65 will get a $6,000 standard deduction, additional deduction, as long as certain requirements are met.
And that's on top of the regular senior add-on?
That is on top of the regular senior add-on.
Okay. And so what income does that senior bonus fade out? Like at what level and how long does it last?
For so long, we were expecting taxes to just go away on Social Security, right? That was the expectation. And I'm not here to get into politics because that's the last thing that anybody wants me to do. But this was kind of their thing, saying, all right, we're not going to take away taxes on Social Security. Here's what we're going to do. And so it will fade out, begins to phase out once your MAGI. So again,
another acronym.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm sorry. But it's your modified adjusted gross, it's your taxable income.
Okay.
That's what that is. Once it tops $75,000 for a single person, or it goes over $150,000 for a married couple. And so it's totally gone at $175,000 and $250,000.
Okay.
It's temporary. It's available from 2025 to 2028, and it reverts to the old $2,000 add-on in January of 2030. Now, I realize that this is a lot for people, and I get that. But I think the other part of it is that at our firm, we hired an accountant so that we could help people understand where this can help. And so you think about phase out taxes and you're like, okay, well, if I phase out, there's nothing I can do, or I'm not going to worry about it, or whatever happens, happens. And that's not actually the case. There are ways, especially in retirement, where you can control your income. Okay. We do things called Roth conversions at our firm, where we take money from an IRA, pay the taxes on it, we move it to a Roth, if then it grows tax-free in the Roth, great. But when we do that with an IRA, you're adding income. And so if you go over these certain limits, all of a sudden you could phase yourself out of these standard deductions. Okay. You could make it so that you're no longer able to get these additional bonuses. And so it's one of those scenarios where you really have to be more careful now than we ever were before.
Right, and it actually speaks to the fact that it's great to have a professional doing that, because most people have no idea that you can even do that.